Alright, good Sunday evening, everybody. Let's take a look at what we're currently watching on the national radar. We're watching a couple things. Low pressure system in the Midwest, low pressure system in the south central, southeast portion of the United States. Those will combine, and that will create a powerful storm for New England. Rain or snow? Well, I'll get to the models in just a second, but here's the current surface analysis here. And you can see, there goes the Clipper system from last night. High pressure system is moving in. And here are the two low pressure systems that will be moving in Tuesday into Wednesday, and we'll be seeing rain, snow, and freezing rain that will help create some ice, slippery travel, so make sure to keep it tuned here to WX Media. Not going to name it. I know many of you have been asking me why you're naming winter storms and everything like that. It's helpful to name winter storms, to know what I am talking about, and help, how should I say this, help keep track of them, and say, instead of saying, hey, remember the blizzard of 2011, how about, do you remember the winter storm Anthony from 2011? I think more people will like that naming process better than just the plain old blizzard of 2011. Seems pretty dull, don't you think? Email me, weathermedia1 at gmail.com, if you think I should name storms, or just leave them, because I have a whole list of names on my website, weatherct.net, that I will most likely use this year. Alright, temperatures in the 20s, you can see here, 20 in Hartford, 21 in Torrington, 21 in Oxford, Windsor Locks 22, Waterbury 22, Willimantic 24, Meriden 24, New Haven 25, Bridgeport 26, Danbury, Norwich 26, Mystic 27, and Groton 28. Unbelievable cold temperatures out there. Tonight, they will go into the negative single digits to above zero, which is very cold. You can see here, there is the polar jet dipping down, and many cold layers follow it. Alright, cool air to Canada, and that will help create very chilly temperatures. Also adding to this, the high pressure system that is stationed over Michigan and Wisconsin, that will help spin in some clockwise cold air. This is one contributing factor to this as well. Alright, this will move over New England. This will help create a storm system and pull the storm system up into New England, and that storm coming out of the Gulf will create warm, moist air that will probably going to lift the jet stream north, as you just saw right here. Pretty powerful storm in my opinion. 1.25 to 1.5 QPF. I think that's a pretty powerful storm. If it was snow, unfortunately it's not. If it was snow, we would be talking a whole different story. Alright, but really don't want to get into that because I'm probably going to get everyone excited. Chance of snow on Friday morning. Not going to be a lot. Probably a dusting to an inch of snow possible. This is the GFS, so we like to look in the long range, don't we? Alright, another storm, and then another storm. Alright, we're watching a couple storms in long range, but unfortunately on the GFX it looks like rainstorms. But I'm not going by any of that, because I'm taking it one storm at a time, and this is the storm that I am going with first. Rain snow line, central Connecticut, eastern Massachusetts. Moves north as the center low pressure approaches, when the heaviest precip gets in, so that's why we're going to see very minimal snowfall. That's because the jet stream will live north before the heaviest amount of precip will come in. GGEM basically shows the same exact thing, just shows different spots of where the heaviest precip will occur. I like the Euro. Watch this. One storm, Wednesday. Alright, this is basically Tuesday. Look at this. The center of low pressure is basically right south of Connecticut and Long Island. We take you out even further, possible snow Wednesday morning. Want to point that out. Another storm develops on Sunday. The GFS completely missed it out to sea. NAM does not go out that far. GGEM does not go out that far either, I believe. Yeah, it does not go out that far just yet. Develops a huge storm for Sunday. I like it. Alright. Hopefully the European verifies, but we've seen a whole bunch of different storms this season so far. But if you're a snow lover, you probably want this. I'm a snow lover, and I do. Alright, I like the cool air better than warm air, alright? Alright, Sunday, temperatures in the 30s. Look at these. Look at these overnight lows. This is 8 o'clock and they're in the teens and the 20s already. Basically where they are now. Look at this cold air. Unbelievable amount of cold air coming out of Canada. Oops, wrong thing here. Give me a second. There we go. Look at this. -5. Unbelievable amount of cold air. I will tell you tomorrow morning on Twitter what the actual low was. It will be excruciating from BDL. Okay, that's where the coldest air is going to take place, over BDL, over northeastern Connecticut. I will tell you on Twitter tomorrow morning what that low is. All right. Look at these. These are basically almost highs. 8 o'clock in the morning. They're still already in the teens and 20s. And then here's the storm with the warm air for Wednesday. But although it doesn't even show the warm air until the storm is already passed. So lots of questions are still being asked about this. The storm is 2 days away. It's Sunday night. Just enjoy it as of right now. Awesome Southwest Michigan Weather.com. Southwest Michigan Weather.com. Awesome site, Ben. Very cool website. No, I haven't updated it on my site yet under the cool weather websites page, but I will. Don't you worry. Make sure to visit his website. It is unbelievable amounts of information. So good job to him. Also on my website, weatherct.net. Find a lot of information. I know if you've been on our website lately, hasn't been updated. I'm very sorry. I've been very busy. We'll update this every day starting tomorrow. I'm very sorry. We're working on a blog post, 5-day daycast, and weather headlines. Once again, sorry guys. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/wxmedia. I will also put in the blog post tomorrow what the actual overnight low was for BDL. Alright, thank you for watching everyone. Have a great day.